What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how you can set the lights from your Mini RF3 charge package into different groups. For this example, I'm going to use 4 of the lights from the package, but remember, if you want to set up even more lights, you're just going to follow the same exact steps. So to start, we're going to set our lights to the RF mode by double pressing the power button until the RF light is set to a solid color. Now remember, we have 4 different RF groups we can set the lights to, which are red, green, yellow, or blue. Again, you'll know your light is set to the RF mode when the LED indicator is a solid color. To change the RF group, you're just going to press the power button once on your light, and from there you can choose which color your light corresponds to. So for this side, I'm going to want to set the RF color to red, and then on this side I'm going to set the RF group to blue. So you can set your remote to correspond with the different RF groups of red, green, yellow, blue, or white if you want to control all of the lights no matter which RF group they're set to. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. So if we want to control this group over here, we're going to set the RF group on our remote to red, and then from here we can set this group to any mode or color. And now to set up my next group of lights, I'm going to go to my remote and set it to the blue RF group, and set it to a different mode or color. And now you'll see we have both groups doing their own thing. So this is really cool because we can set up different groups of lights and use just one remote to control each group. However, if you wanted to control all of your lights at once, you can set your remote to the white RF group, and no matter the RF group your lights are set to, I can press a button on the remote and you'll see that all of my lights are gonna follow. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up different groups using the lights from the Mini RF3 charge package. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.